Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Super Goal 2, Unit 6. Let's celebrate. Today we have reading. The title of our reading today is Eid Celebrations. Students book page 53. Our objective today is to read for gist and details. So let's start. Okay. This is a warm-up activity, as you can see. What can you see in the pictures here? We can see celebrations. People celebrate maybe Eid al-Adha or Eid al-Fitr. They are happy, as you can see. So, they are celebrating Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Adha. So, here we have the verb celebrate. Again, celebrate, celebrate, and celebration. Celebrate here is a verb and celebration is a noun. Okay? What celebrate? Celebrate is to take part in a special enjoyable activities in order to show that a particular occasion is important. So Muslims around the world celebrate Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr. So celebrate, celebration. Here we have some words. What can you see here? As you can see, this is a lamb. Repeat after me. Lamb. Lamb. As you can see, the letter B here is silent. We don't say lamb, no. Lamb. The letter B is silent. It's red here. Lamb. Okay? To slaughter an animal like a lamb, a cow, a camel, a goat for the sake of Allah. To slaughter an animal like a camel, a goat, a lamb, for example, a cow, for the sake of Allah. What do you call this verb? I mean the verb here. Okay, as you can see, this man is going to slaughter a lamb for the sake of Allah. We call this sacrifice. Repeat after me. Sacrifice. Sacrifice is to slaughter an animal for the sake of Allah. Again, to slaughter an animal for the sake of Allah. Sacrifice. Repeat after me. Sacrifice. As you can see in the picture, we can see two men. They are giving food to poor children, as you can see. What do you call this action? This is called donate. Repeat after me. Donate. Donate is to give money, food to the poor. To give money, food to the poor. And the noun is donation. So we have donate, money, donate food, donate things, maybe clothes to the poor. And the noun is donation. And here we have food donations. Food donations here. You can donate food to the poor. Say it. Donate, donation. Willing to give money, help, kindness, especially more than is usual or expected. When you give money, help, kindness, especially more than is usual or expected. What do we call this? Look at this boy. This boy is exactly generous. He's generous. He gives money to a homeless man here. He's generous. Generous. Again, repeat after me. Generous. What's generous? To give money, help, kindness, especially more than is usual or expected. This is generous, and generous here is an adjective, and the noun is generosity. Generosity. Say it. Generous, generosity. Generous, generosity. Okay? What can you see here? Exactly. This is a carpet or a rug. We call it a carpet or a rug. Okay? Okay, here we have a chart showing the days, weeks, and months of a particular year. As you can see, a chart showing the days, weeks, and months of a particular year. So this is what? Calendar. Repeat after me. Calendar. This is a calendar, Hijri calendar, 1442. Say it, calendar. A calendar is a chart showing the days, weeks, and months of a particular year. Now go to your box, page 53. Okay, let's go to this part. Here we have Eid celebrations. What do you know about traditional Eid practices in other Arab countries? In this part, you're gonna know some other practices during Eid al-Adha or Eid al-Fitr in other Arab countries. So here we have Eid celebrations. I want you to listen and follow this. After that, we have some questions. Okay? Now, listen and follow. 1, 2, 3.
Eid celebrations. Eid al-Fitr is a Muslim holiday that marks the end of Ramadan. It is the most widely celebrated holiday in the Islamic calendar. The day begins with a light snack, usually dates, and the Eid prayer. People often decorate their homes and cook festive meals for family and friends. Older members of the family offer money to children. Many store owners offer a special Eid gift to customers to show their generosity. Everyone does their best to be kind and generous to others, especially to those who are in need. At the end of Ramadan, Muslims donate food, such as dates and rice, to the poor. This is called Zakat al-Fitr. In some areas, neighbors place large rugs on the street. Then each family brings a meal to share with their neighbors. Another important celebration is Eid al-Adha. To celebrate Eid al-Adha, Muslims all over the world sacrifice an animal. Depending on the region, they sacrifice a lamb, a goat, a camel, or a cow. The family shares the meal with friends and donates some to the poor. Families get together for a special meal, visit friends and neighbors, and exchange gifts.
Okay, you have to read this text again and again at home. Now let's go to the questions. Question number 1. Children offer money to adults. Children offer money to adults. Is it true or false? Yes or no? Children offer money to adults? Let's check. This is no. Okay. Old members offer money to children. Not children offer money to adults. Number 2. People show generosity and kindness to others. People show generosity and kindness to others. Yes or no? During Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Adha, people show generosity and kindness to others. Of course, this is what? This is yes. 3. People have a light breakfast before the prayer on Eid al-Fitr. People have a light breakfast before the prayer on Eid al-Fitr. Yes or no? Of course, yes. In celebrations of Eid al-Adha, families sacrifice an animal and give some of it to those in need. Families sacrifice an animal and give some of it to those in need. Is it yes or no? Exactly, it's yes. Okay? I'd like to thank you all for watching and see you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.